In this video, we'll see how to make delicious rasmalai cake, which you can make for your Valentine's Day and make your day more special. To make this cake in a kadhai or pressure cooker, you need to remove whistle if using pressure cooker, put some salt, place a stand, and at medium flame you need to preheat your kadhai or pressure cooker for 10 minutes. In a bowl, take 1 cup hot milk and to that add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoon butter. I'm using salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter or ghar ka bana hua makhan. But later in the batter you can add a pinch of salt. Now add 1 teaspoon green cardamom or choti ilaichi ka powder, few strands of saffron or kesar. Give it a good mix. Now to this mixture add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup powdered sugar, 4 tablespoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda or khane wala soda. You can sift all the dry ingredients together, but what I'm doing is just sifting a little, mixing and then again sifting. This process makes it easier to remove lumps from the batter. Okay, so the batter looks ready. Just before pouring the batter into the mold, we're going to add 2 teaspoons synthetic white vinegar or sirka, and then you need to continuously whisk this mixture for 10 to 15 seconds and then immediately pour in a cake mold. I'm using 6.5-inch cake mold which I have already lined with butter paper. I like using butter paper because it makes it very easy to demold the cake later. Now I'm placing my cake mold in my preheated kadhai. Well, the reason I've used a plate below my cake mold is that the base of my cake mold comes off, and because the stand's diameter is less than the base of the cake, the batter starts to leak. So bake the cake at medium flame for first 10 minutes and then 40 minutes at low flame, and then you can check if the cake is cooked. If it's done, you can take it out. If it's not, you can again cover the kadhai and bake the cake for a few more minutes. But remember, over baking the cake will lead to a hard top and hard sides. Now cover the cake and let it cool down. And once the cake cools down, you can remove it from the mold. And now I'm removing the butter paper. Now I'm removing the top part. Don't worry, you can divide this top part into pieces, warm it up in your microwave and eat it. It tastes amazing. And for the rest of the cake, I'm dividing it into 3 equal layers, trying to divide them equally. Here I've already whipped some cream. This is whipped cream made from 3/4 cup whipping cream. So this is the quantity you would get from 3/4 cup whipping cream. It's already sweetened. Now to this I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon choti ilaichi ka powder and some yellow food color. I prefer using gel food color, but then I did not have it when I was shooting this video, so I used liquid color. So the color looks perfect. You can adjust the amount of color to get this shade. Now place the bottommost layer of cake on a cake board. I think this is 7 or 8-inch cake base. Now put some rasmalai milk or ras from 250 gram of rasmalai. Because the rasmalai milk is thick, it takes some time for the cake to absorb it or soak it in. Give it some time, and after that put some cream and level it. Here I've taken some rasmalai pieces again from the 250 gram rasmalai which I bought from Sweet Shop. Put some pieces on this layer and then repeat the process. Now I'm just making the cake even on the sides, and then we're going to completely cover the cake with cream. So at this time you can use more cream, more than what you would like to have on your cake, and later while leveling the cake you can scrape off the excess cream. Now using a spatula and a cake comb, you can level your cake and decorate it. Okay, so this is done. For the next step, so pipe some cream as shown in the video and place a piece of rasmalai. And here I'm using nozzle number 80. This is the same nozzle which I have also used in my another video of cupcake bouquet. You need to push some cream out of the nozzle and at the same time pull it outwards, and that would give you this shape. And similarly make more flowers. The flowers are done, but if you want, you can just keep the design simple and place the rasmalai pieces whatever you find easy and comfortable. Now after that, I'm applying some dried rose petals. And after the rose petals, some sliced pistachios or pista, even on the top. If you would like to purchase the rose petals or things which I normally use in my videos, you can check out the link given in video's description box. And then this is silver or chandi ka work. This is totally optional. If you think making flowers this way would be time consuming or difficult, you can decorate the cake the way you want. But do not skip rose petals and pistachios on top. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Enjoy!